Welcome all. In this video, we are going to see UKG annual exam question patterns for general awareness. Fill in the blanks. Animals and their homes. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Dog lives in a kennel. Lion lives in a den. Bird lives in a nest. Cow lives in a shed. Help box will be given for UKG students. They have to pick up the answer from there and write it in the fill in the blanks. Here match the following animals and their young ones. Dog, pup. Pig, pig young one is piglet. Lion's young one is cub. Cow's young one is calf. Cat's young one is kitten. Here I have given few more question patterns regarding parts of the plant and then germination of seeds. Please don't forget to like my channel and subscribe my channel for more such content. Thank you.